Hello, today I'm going to show you how to make a toran. Toran is made mostly with marigold flowers and mango leaves, and we tie it on the front door of our house, especially during festivals. So we will make the toran with papers. I have some crepe papers here and some craft papers. You can do everything with craft paper also. You need green for the mango leaves, red for the flowers, and especially orange for the marigold flowers. We also need a thick needle and a thick thread. This is a big needle I'm using with a thick thread. This thread is double, 1 meter long, and it's double. And scissors and glue. So let's start by making the leaves. I've taken crepe paper here. You can do it with craft paper or with handmade paper also. Now that this is crepe paper, this is a little bit thin. So I will take double the thickness for the leaves. So mango leaves I used. So we will cut it in the shape of a mango leaf. A long leaf like this. Shape of the mango leaf. Now I will take 2 leaves at the same time. So when we are joining the leaves, for 1 leaf I'll take 2 papers because this is thin. Now let's make the marigold flowers or just flowers with orange color paper. I folded this 3-fold and fold it 2 times so that we get a square. We have to cut flower shape in this. I will separate out the squares first and then fold it in a triangle. You can either take one and do it 1 square at a time. Make 3 folds, 1, 2 and 3. This is the center. When I fold it, this is the center. So cut a petal shape like this. We will get a flower. So the same way I will cut all the other flowers also. The same thing, if you have crepe paper, you can do with crepe paper also. See that it's bright colored like this. Because marigold flowers are bright colored. So just cut flower shapes. I will cut a few more with the second paper if we need it. Now I think this will be enough. Depends how big toran are we making. So we have the leaves, we have the orange flowers. We'll also cut some red flowers to keep it at the center. So let me take some crepe paper. I will take this much and I will cut a little smaller squares than this. I think this will be enough. Same way, this one also, I'll fold it and cut it in a flower shape. So that we have smaller flowers now, and we can stick it on this. This will look good. So I will cut all these flowers and stick one on each. Now I have stuck the red color flowers on the orange colored flowers like this. Now let's make the base of the toran. I have taken one more brown colored paper. I have folded it lengthwise in half, again in half, and I will cut strips of these. So I'll cut this in half so that we have 4 pieces like this, and I will cut 2 more. So I'm aiming for 6 pieces like this. This is extra. Now let us start assembling them. So the first thing, we will stitch the leaf. So gently stitch it with just 1 stitch like this. Sew it and pull. Leave some thread from the end because we need this much for tying. So this is the first piece. Second piece will be this. On this we will stick the flowers. So I will do 2 stitches here. 1 stitch here and 1 more stitch here. I have done 2 stitches here and pull it. Then I will put 2 more leaves. Same way, just 1 stitch for the leaf. Pull it gently. I'll put 2 leaves here, and then we will stick the flowers. So first one was a single leaf, then we had this base, then 2 more leaves, and again 1 more base, 2 stitches. 1 stitch here, pull it, and 1 more stitch here and pull it. Then again 2 more leaves, if it is craft paper, you can also draw the veins on the leaves. That will also look good. We'll see at the end, we'll do some decoration also. 2 stitches, 1 here, 1 more here. See that the stitches are quite far away because this is a big needle and it's paper. So paper tends to tear if you stitch it too close. So I'll have 2 more leaves here. And 1 more base. I think only 4 bases were enough. And there's 1 leaf at the end. So this is what we have for the base. 1 leaf, 1 base, 2 leaves, 1 base, again 2 more leaves, 1 base, 2 leaves, 1 base. So it looks like this. Now let's stick the flowers on it. We'll start from here. We'll apply some glue here and here, and we'll stick 2 flowers. on each. This one has 2 flowers. We'll have 2 more flowers here. One here, one here. And again the next base. You can have different colored flowers also. That is your wish. I'm using orange color because we usually use marigold flowers. I have 4 more flowers here. I think I'll stick them here. So I'll apply glue like this and stick them on both the leaves. Same way, I'll apply glue like this and stick them on 2 leaves. 2 more here. So I think it's done. Let it dry properly. This is our toran.